Hello po, good morning. It's Monday morning, medyo maulan nga lang, but then of course, that will not stop us to showcase whatever we have or whatever properties that we can offer you. So ngayon naman po is we're actually right here in Trancoville. If you're familiar with Trancoville, actually it is one of the most pinaka-best na location dito sa Baguio. It is because 24 hours po yung jeep namin dito, and then at the same time it is just few minutes going to SMU and the market, Session Road area. Yan. So ito po is actually a condo unit. It's 28 square meters. Nandito na ako sa loob ng sample unit. So as you can see, meron na po siyang, dito po yung parang kitchen area niya. So may naka-fit na cabinet, and then at the same time meron na po siyang CR. Ayan, pasok po tayo ng konti so that you can appreciate it. Ayan, okay. And then, the room is nandito po siya. Ayan. So it's fit po siya actually for students. Kaya ganito po yung itsura niya because we are actually targeting students or small family na siguro may business or gusto lang malapit sa city. Okay? Yan po. So if you want to see more and if you want to see it in actual, of course you can contact me